Hi, in this video you'll have the chance to test your business intuition with a case study from the aerospace industry. In particular, we are going to talk about space tourism. Just at the end of 2021, Blue Origin took 4 civilians on a successful suborbital spaceflight, setting a milestone in space tourism. Blue Origin has never revealed any concrete pricing information. But today, we'll help AEROSPACE, which is a private aerospace company, set the ticket price for its new program Space Now. Test your business knowledge by answering the following questions. Each question gives points according to its difficulty. You'll pass the test if your total score is at least 21 points. Let's start. AEROSPACE has developed a space line for private space flights. Its passengers will have the opportunity to fly in space for 20 minutes. The first civilian flight is scheduled for next year. Since all R&D for this program has been funded by the European Union, AEROSPACE has agreed that only European citizens will be allowed to buy tickets for Space Now in the first phase of the program. Since all competitors, such as Blue Origin or SpaceX, are currently focused on the American market, AEROSPACE can still be considered the only private spaceflight provider in Europe. The founder of AEROSPACE contacted you because she would like an opinion on how much a Space Now ticket should cost. Question number 1. Which pricing strategy best fits this case? A. Competition-based. B. Cost-based. C. Value-based. AEROSPACE is a privately held company, so the profitability of current and future programs depends on the ability to cover costs and become profitable. Since there is no direct competition in our market, we do not need to account for competition. Because the experience offered is exclusive and extremely premium, the perceived value of the consumer is difficult to measure. Question number 2. What do you think the main costs are? How many did you get? Here are also some values. Question number 3. What other information do you still need to estimate the price of the ticket? AEROSPACE expects to operate 1 flight per day with 10 passengers per flight. Question number 4. So, can you now tell which price AEROSPACE should charge per trip? The founder of AEROSPACE finds these numbers promising. So far, only 1 spaceplane has been commissioned. But AEROSPACE would like to expand the fleet with more spaceplanes. If production starts now, all the planes could be ready for the first launch as early as next year. AEROSPACE's founder suggests that the total number of spaceplanes needed depends on the total number of people interested, so the size of the market should be estimated. Question number 5. Let's assume our market is just Europe. How would you estimate the number of tickets that could potentially be sold? Question number 6. So, how many spaceplanes should be commissioned with this logic? Let's assume that the lifetime of a spaceplane is 10 years. Also, assume that there is no competition from the US to become significant in the first phase. Question number 7. Do we really build 24 planes? What would you suggest? Building 24 spaceplanes in 1 year does not seem like a feasible possibility. First, it is unrealistic that AEROSPACE can find enough funding in the short term to cover the production of so many planes. Second, production capabilities are not unlimited. Since the demand is potentially much larger than supply, AEROSPACE should consider increasing the ticket price, for example to €1 million. This would dramatically decrease the market size, thus the number of spaceplanes to be commissioned, while also ensuring a higher return. As a rule of thumb, consider that if a new product meets a need, demand comes first. But if a new product meets a want, as in this case, supply comes first. This is the end of the case. If you want to learn more about pricing strategies, check out our explanatory videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.